Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna share you a great way to make money online. You can make $1 till $10 per click. It's free to start, it's available worldwide, it doesn't matter where you live, you can start making money online today. Please keep watching this video. If you've just found our channel, I'm Ershad from United Braves. This channel is about entrepreneurship, success, mindset, online and offline marketing, working and making money online. To watch more videos like this video and future videos, please right now click on the red button below the video and subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you to help you to master your life and master your business. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe right now. There are videos here to help you to make money online, working from home, and mastering your life, mastering your business. And there is a course here, how to become a millionaire in 21 steps, that are waiting for you. In this video, I'm gonna share you a great website. You can make money online today after watching this video, and it's a proven way that you can start money, and you don't need any skills, you don't need any experience, and you can start making money online after watching this video. The website is creativelive.com. creativelive.com is a website for online courses. People come here to participate and actually join some online courses, and you can also start for free here. As you see, answers your creative calling, master your craft, your passion, or something new with creative classes taught by the world's best. So people can come here, students can come here, or anyone else that wants to learn something can come here and start learning for free. As you see, actually this website, there are just some categories for this one: photo, videos, money, life, art, design, craft, maker, music, audio, and the creative courses. That's why it's a website, it's a unique website, and you can find some courses here that you can't find anywhere else. That sounds interesting for this website, and we are gonna work with this website to make money online, but not with online courses. Of course, you can also, if you have any courses, you can put it here to make money online, but the way that I'm gonna share with you today is different. I'm gonna share you a way that if someone clicks on the link, you can earn money $1 till $10 per click, and that's interesting. So as you see, there are some courses here, and this is a nice website. You see different courses here. For example, for this course, over 82,000 students just participate in this course, and you see great different courses. And as you see, there are great numbers of students. Global inspiration, daily creativity, on the go learning. Start for free. As there are some information about these websites and instructors on demand, and right here. So what we need here is to click on become an affiliate. This affiliate is different from other websites. I'm gonna tell you what it is. Click on this link, become an affiliate. We will come here. So for every new registration sign up, you can earn $1. $1 for every new registration sign up, and of course $10 for each referred affiliate. And revenue share for new customer sale is 20%, and revenue share for return customer sales 10%. As you see, that sounds great. It's a kind of evergreen business that you can have, and I'm going to show you a great way. You don't need to do anything else, and in this way you can start making money online without, for example, advertising or something like this for your referral links and for your link. No, there is another way. There is a nice way and free way that you can start making money online with this website. Track it. See the leads and sales you generate in real time. Track your performance with advanced reporting tools. Our average order sizes are over $100. Earn commission on all purchases by referred customers within 30 days of the original click. As you see, you have, this sounds crazy interesting. Within 30 days, because every affiliate person in this website, there is a special link just belongs to you after registration. It will belong to you. Then you can share these links everywhere, and if someone just registers, in this website, you can earn $1 for each registration, and registration is completely free. They don't need anything else, and you can earn just registration $1 for each registration. That's crazy. And during 30 days, if, for example, if a person just clicks and registers, you can earn $1 and leaves the website without any purchasing. During 30 days, during a month, if he or she comes back again to this website, visits this website and purchases a course or participates in some free courses, you can earn money again. And for each referred affiliate, you can earn $10, and revenue share for return customer sales 10%, and revenue share for new customer sales 20%, plus $1 and $10. So that's, you can earn a lot of money with this website. And our affiliate partners serve an audience looking for creative education and the ability to earn a living from their craft. Ideal sites focus on online education, photography, crafting, music, business, and training tools. And there's an email here, you can contact them, and answers to common questions, and there are some more information about this website. If we click about this company, we see here what we are all about. We believe there is a creator in all of us. From the moment we struck fire, we met our challenges with creative tools. We make dreams come true, problem solve, and express ourselves through creativity. It shapes our identity and ties us together. Creativity gives us hope, helps us innovate and imagine. It's how we change the world. Our mission. This is a page about this company. You can read this this page later. But as you see, in 2009, they started this business, and different events up to now, as you see here. For example, here, a live broadcast with Red Bull and also Starbucks in September 2016, and right now, up to now, over 10 million students strong on this website, and that's really great for you if you want to start earning money online, making money online with this website. So here we are. We click here, log in and sign up. To sign up on this website, people who want to sign up, they should click on here and sign up it here, and it's so clear for people who wants to register with this website. And for us that we want to work with this website, we click on here, become an affiliate. We come here, the affiliate program, make money by connecting your audience to great content, sign up. We click here, sign up. Then we come here, and Share a Sale is a company for affiliate program, and most of the websites work with this company, and this is the affiliate programs. of this website, I mean creative life, that works with share a sale. Just you need to choose a surname, password, country, and continue your registration with this website, and then you can become an affiliate and start making money online today with this website. So here we are. I'm gonna dive into this website: photo and video, money and life, art and design. Let's see art and design, how we can earn money online. I'm gonna share you this way. For example, with this category, we choose we choose this one. For example, art and design business, all classes. You see there are some courses here. For example, we click on this one, we come here, and you see over 18,000 students participate in this course, and that's really great. That's really great. As you see, the prices is here, and this is the description, this is the video of this, and so on. So what we want to do and how we can start making money online with affiliate marketing with this website. First, we need to copy this one, copy the title: a business of illustration and lettering. As you see, make things make money. The title is great, and business of illustration and lettering. Then we go to Quora.com. Quora.com is a website for, it's one of the, actually the biggest website for answering and questioning. In this website, people come here, they ask some questions, and other people are gonna answer the questions back. That's why it's great. You can paste the title here, and then it would be like this. You see, there are some questions here. What are the top five examples that illustrate the way words and letters are used to cast spells by simple speaking? You see different, for example, as an artist, illustrator, and harder letter. What are some of the ways I can use this platform to further my career hopes? You see, you can start answering these kind of questions, and you don't need to do anything else. The way that you need is just copy and pasting the content that there is already there here. You can copy just this one. You can copy the description, and then actually it should be suitable to the answer. Then paste the answer here. I mean that the question should be suitable for the answer, and the answer, as I said, is here. You can copy this description, and then after copy this description, you can put your link, your affiliate link, below this content that you pasted here to answer these questions. And when you became an affiliate, after becoming an affiliate on this website, then you have a special link for each course that you're gonna promote the course. So for each course, you have a special link, and you have a referral link. You can use it to make money online. And then, for example, another course, we choose here another course: becoming a successful design freelancer. For example, we can choose this course: becoming a successful design freelancer. You know, over 7,000, near to 8,000 students participate in this course, and that's nice. Also, the price is nice. And you see, the things that you need to do, again, copy the title, or actually write and type some questions that are related to this title. As you see, I copied the title and pasted here, and there would be like this: how do I become a successful designer multimedia freelancer? Exactly these questions is great for us because we're gonna answer this question with our content here. We just copy the content and then paste to answer this question. And also you should put your referral link of this course, and then when people click on this link, they directly come to this website, Creative Live, and if they purchase, you can earn your commission. That's all. And you can start answering the questions. You can choose each topic that you like, and for each course that you like, you can start earning money with this website. And another way to start making money is Blogger. Blogger is a website that you can create a blog free. It's easy and free. You can blogger.com. It's like here. You can create your blog and then post your contents, and your contents is just it's so easy. You should choose the courses that you like to promote, then just copy and paste the content. Just copy paste the content, and also you should add your referral link for each post. And then if someone clicks on your link, they will come here, and if they register on this website, you can earn $1, and if they purchase, you can earn $10 plus 20% each sale. That's great. And also you can choose WordPress for creating blog. I think most of the people know WordPress. It's a great website. It's a great CMS platform to create blogs and websites. So here, that's all that you need to know about this website. And once you do everything, once you publish all of the contents on your weblog, on your blog, or on Quora.com, once you do everything and you finish everything, you don't need to do anything else. It is autopilot. Just you can do other things. It's a kind of passive income for you. It's on autopilot, and you're just waiting for your amount of money that you're earning with this website, and that's all you need to do. Just once you need to publish the contents and everything, and then after that you don't need to do anything else. Everything works very well automatically, and you can just wait for your commissions from this website, and it really works. And these courses are really great. And of course, when someone clicks and comes here and sees the number of students who already participate in this course, and of course they can see great content here, they will join in these courses, and they will purchase, and at least they will register on this website, and you can earn $1 for each registration. You can start making money online with this website today after watching this video. And that's all you need to know about this website and creativelive.com. I hope you like this video. Please hit the thumbs up. I want you to like this video to watch more videos like this video and future videos. Please right now click on the red button below the video and subscribe our channel, and be sure to hit the bell to get notified when I release new videos for you, to help you to master your life and master your business. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.